This SharePoint hosted app works with SharePoint's custom list template and enrolls the user to the selected lesson or lessons and sent a welcome email message with all the information to the student regarding his participation to the webinar or lesson. That web diagram receives information from external data source and is used as an award for the best student of the month from each class. The entries are modified by another external application and Visio retrieves automatically the data. This is the student's certifications diagram in an extranet student's blog. This diagram also is connected to remote external data source for all the certifications. This is a web diagram that presents sex statistical information about participants in a specific program. The same data source with statistical information about the top 5 cities. More detailed information about each one of the top 5 cities. Here is shown the sex statistical analysis diagram. Binding with a remote data source from Visio. The same binding in the top 5 cities. Both pages. This online Excel sheet with Power Pivot provides statistical information about students' enrollments for each class. The next sheet provides the same information using only current year's values, in a user-defined coloring list or in a graph pie. The slicer in that sheet is used by the online user to filter the selected classes. This sheet gives similar statistical data for students' enrollment for each class. The online workbook sync in the desktop, and it gives the option to the user to modify the coloring format locally and to upload the new version to the online version. In that sheet we use Power View with many external data sources linked together using the common fields in Excel data model. In each page, we apply a custom background to the Excel workbook. This is Power View sheet, in a desktop view. Another sheet, desktop view. This application records clients' projects and payments. This is the new SharePoint 2013 Access Web App template. In the clients list the related entries web control having details about the payments received with the total amount in the footer of the control. The customers table have many views. In the by group view you can see a summary of the clients per region or country. From that view, you can click on each entry and open a modal window with all the client's information, including details about payments and projects. A similar group view, with the same information per organization. From the list, the Add Payment link opens a modal window in order to insert or modify a client's payment. In that modal window, lookup controls locate the organization or the project from the database tables. A similar view is available for projects. In Payments, Payments per Year view provides summary of payments received for each year. The Per Organization view lists the payments received per organization. Organizations table gives you the option to use, store and manage information for many organizations. The Payments Datasheet view makes easy to add new payments and to work with that data similar to an Excel file. The diagram shows how Web API to ASP.NET application can be used and expose thought-secure connection with SharePoint, data from Access Web App to mobile and desktop user clients. This is N-tier application model using Windows Azure infrastructure. This model shows how a Web API 2 application and an MVC5 web application can work together and serve all client application requests. The diagram shows the membership, portal admin, organization users, level and the basic functionality. Management, by, public.